So I tell people Sokolowski's famous mushroom barley soup is just such a delicious dish that you really want to make this, consider having this on your Thanksgiving menu. But as I had a portion of the soup, I thought to myself, if I served this on Thanksgiving, I'd end up with 20 pounds of turkey leftovers because that soup is so delicious and so satisfying.
Well, I recommend don't wait for just Thanksgiving. You could have it anytime. It's a simple soup to make. Like I said, most of the really good fine soups are not that hard, really, if you just, especially when you're using heavy cream. I mean, into the soup or butter. Those good ingredients like that are going to highlight the soup even more. And mushroom barley soup is one of our best things that we sell at the restaurant.
It's a delicious soup.
Thank you.
And tell us about your trick on the cabbage and noodles. You use cottage ham?
Well, we use cottage ham. We try to get a good grade of cottage ham. My brother likes to go to Amish country to buy the cottage hams.
Cool.
Which is all right. And he also uses a good bacon, fry that up. Cottage ham, we move from the cores from when we make stuffed cabbages. We save the cores after we blanch the cabbage leaves, and we chop that up so nothing's wasted on the cabbage, and we make that into our cabbage and noodles.
Great
so
dish.
with a good noodle, you could use extra wide noodles, anything like that, and a little bit of seasoning. Salt, pepper, or whatever. You don't even have to season it. It's really good.
Homey, delicious dishes.
Those were depression foods. People that years ago, they knew how to stretch things out, and those were passed on to people now, and they become like almost gourmet foods now.
Absolutely.
And they were depression food. It's funny.
Very cool, Bernie. Thanks
Thank you
again
so much
for
having me.
Not at all.
Your pleasure.
Take care.